welcome back to my K-pop video. In this video, we are going through the first chorus of Hot Sauce by NCT Dream. We just went through the first chorus in our Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona. As you can see, the first chorus was pretty easy, whereas the second chorus gets a little faster and kind of intense. So we took some time to go through the second chorus choreography and we ended up getting to the formation nicely. So overall, we had a lot of fun. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial, and at the end of the tutorial, we're gonna go through with the actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me. Also, before we start, I would like to announce to you guys that we have the in-person Kpop Dance Workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. We also offer a free K-pop live workshop on our Facebook group called Arizona Kpop Dance Workshop, and those open to any levels and ages. So if you love K-pop or dancing, no matter where you live, please feel free to join us. All of the information are in the description below. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so basically you're just gonna tap with your right toe and then bring your left shoulder over 1, 2, 3, 4, and then switch your right shoulder over 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now after this, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your legs basically open, and then take your left leg up, open, right leg, open, left, open, right. While your arms, keep your left hand next to your right hip and pretend that you're mixing something with your right hand, so just shake it while you are stepping side to side, just like this, okay? This is the first 2 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now we're gonna repeat the exact same moves for the next 2 8s, okay? After this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, we're gonna get back to bring your left shoulder over. 1, 2, 3, 4. And switch 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna go 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next 5, 6, 7, 8 is the kind of formation change. So you can just slide wherever you want and then clap your hands twice. Good. Okay. One more time from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left shoulder, right shoulder. Step up, step up, step up. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Slide. 5, 6. Clap, clap. Good. We're already halfway through, so let's go through one more time. It's gonna be a little bit faster. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Slide. 5, 6. Clap, clap. Good. Alright, let's move on to the second chorus. This part is gonna be more intense than the first chorus, okay? So after clap, clap, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna step back and step back. Good. Starting with the right leg, step back and step back. Good. And then make a fist, pull your elbows when you step back and step back. Good. Now if you can add more atmosphere, more feelings, get a little boom, muscles, how do you say? Get more energetic, okay? Boom, boom. Okay. 5, 6, clap, clap, and 1, 2, 3. Good. After this, you're gonna lean to your left leg and then extend your right arm forward. Keep your left hand in front of your hip, and then we're just gonna clap your hands in front of the chest. At the same time, take your left heel. Good. And then we're gonna switch the leg and bring your hands to your next left shoulder, and then switch your leg and arms, and then again back to the center and bring your hands to your left shoulders, and then clap your knees. Okay, this is gonna be the most intense part in this choreography. Okay, one more time, pull part. 5, 6, clap, clap, and 1, 2, 3. up, clap, switch, swing, center, knees. Good, one more time. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, open, clap, switch, swing, slide, and in a little bit faster. 6, 7, 8, open, clap, switch, swing, and center. Good, 5, 6, 7, 8, open, clap, switch, swing, center, knees. Good. All right, let's do it with a count. 5, 6, clap, clap, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now, as soon as you close your knees, you're gonna step left and step right, just like this. Good. Step left and step right. And at the same time, keep your hands to your left shoulders and bounce and bounce. Good. Now, we're gonna slightly face to the right and then put your hands together and push down twice. Down, down. This move, as you push your hands down twice, you're gonna lean backwards twice as well. Down, down. You can slightly bend your knees and open your knees as well. Down, down. Good. Okay, one more time from the pull. This is gonna be the first half of the second chorus. Here we go. 5, 6, clap, clap, and 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, switch, swing, center, knees, and left, right, and down, down. With a count, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, left, right, and down. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good. Now the last part, after push, push, you're gonna step right and then cross your arms and take your left knee up so that you can pull and open at the same time. Open your arms and open your left knee as well, and neck forward. Good. After push, push, step down. Good. Now you're gonna switch your legs and then bring your right knee up and make a half circle from the up, down, up. Well, keep your left hand is forward and then your right hand basically follows the right knee. Good. So after open, make a circle from out to in. Good. And at the same time, you can tilt your neck to the left. Good. Cross up and kick up. Good. Now keep your right knee up. We're gonna go 2 more circles, but on the other side. So this time you're gonna push down, bring it up, side up. One more time. Kick and up. Good. Okay, one more time from the cross open. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Cross up and switch and switch. Good. Now bring your right foot down, point your left toe down, make a fist and then bring your hands in front of your chest. We're gonna pull the elbows once and bring it back to your chest. What we're gonna do last is push your face to the left and then switch to the right. Good. And then switch your legs. We're just gonna make a half circle with your right toe, face to the right, face to the left, and bring your knee up. Good. That's it. Okay? After kick, step right, and then bring your hands to your chest, pull up, face left, face right, circle, and knee up. Good. Now when you make a half circle with your right toe, you can also make a circle with your neck as well by facing to the ceiling. Circle, and when you take your right knee up, face front as well. Okay? Let's go through one more time from the open part. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, open and circle, switch, circle, circle, right, left, pull, up, left, right, circle, knee up. Good, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, up and circle, switch, switch, and right, left, pull, up, left, right, circle, up. Good, let's do with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Good. Alright, let's start with the beginning of the second chorus, which is after clap, clap. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, down, and step, switch, switch, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, right, circle, kick. Ooh, it's getting a little intense. It's okay, we're gonna go through a couple more and try with the music. One more time, starting with a pull. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, down and up, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, right, circle, up. Alright, so let's go through from the very beginning, which is the shoulder roll and then step side. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, slide, 5, 6, clap, clap, and boom, 4, 5, 6, da, da, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, right, and down, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, up, 5, 6, left, right, circle, knee. Good. Alright, let's do one more time with the counts and then we're gonna try with the actual music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, slide and clap, clap, pull, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, down and step, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left, right, circle, up. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, slide and clap, pull, 1, 2, 3, up, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, down, and step, switch, switch, 4, 5, 6, Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me. Hope this tutorial will help you to get through the first chorus of Hot Sauce by NCT Dream. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. And also don't forget to give us big thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Got it.